welcome, I'm Hopy and today we're doing an autumn deer look. So let's get ready. I got this cute headband from Etude House, so let's get started. For skincare, I'm using a cream with a light gellous texture. My skin is pretty dry, but I prefer gel creams as they absorb faster and you can apply your makeup right after. I'm applying an oil base to give my skin a dewy look under the makeup. If you have visible pores, you can use a pore primer to even out the skin texture a bit. I'm applying it to especially my nose and chin. Use a flat brush or finger and apply a thin layer. For skin base, I'm using a BB cream. This BB cream has a quite high cover compared to other BB creams I've tried. I'm using a dense brush to apply it, or you can use your fingers if you want a more sheer cover. It also has a typical grayish pink tone, but the color will adjust a bit after some time. I still need a bit extra cover for my tired eyes. The concealer is creamy but still covers quite well. I'm using neutral vanilla for under my eyes to correct blue tones and neutral beige on the rest of my face. I'm tapping in the product with my finger, but you can use a brush if you want more cover. We only want a dewy look to some parts of the skin, so I'm adding a light layer of transparent powder to my forehead, nose and chin area. Deers are known for their big, captivating eyes, so I'm using probably the biggest circle lenses I've tried in Choco Brown. Yup, they're pretty big for my small eyes, haha! Autumn is my favorite season and I love all the colors. I was really excited when I saw this Maple Road collection. It has all my favorite colors, so I can't wait to try them all. I'm starting with a medium warm brown color to make the contouring for the deer. I'm contouring the nose bridge and make it more vivid and warm toned than I would normally do. Use the same color to contour and bronze your cheekbones, temples, forehead, and jaw. I'm adding a blush to my cheeks to give the look a little flush and romance. I'm also adding it over my nose. For brows, I'm using a burgundy eyeshadow to match my wig. I'm following my natural shape, but try to keep it a bit soft and straight. Okay, it's time for the eyes. Prime your eyes with an eye primer so the eyeshadows won't smudge. Then I'm using an orangey brown color for the crease and outer crease. Use a soft blending brush to give it a smoky effect. Autumn leaves have many colors, so I'm adding a red shade to give the look more nuance. Then we'll deepen the look with the same burgundy shade we used for our brows. I'm using a beige color as a transition color from the eyes to the nose, so add it with a soft blending brush to your nose bridge and between your eyeshadow and brows. For our big deer eyes, I'm using a gel liner to draw a big cat eye. Adjust the liner according to your eye shape. I'm using a pencil eyeliner to draw the inner corner of the liner. Then I'm using a glitter liquid shadow to make a soft cut crease from the inner corner to the center of the lid. It dries quite fast as you can see, so if you want to soften the edges with a brush, you gotta be quick. I'm adding a vanilla colored liner to the waterline to open up the eyes more. Then I'm using a pearl shimmery pencil to add to the inner corner of my eyes. As a last color touch, I wanted to add more orange, so blend it in over the red eyeshadow. I'm using a mascara primer for extra volume and curl before applying mascara. Now the basic eye makeup is done. For the deer nose, I'm using a brown pencil to draw and shape the nose. I'm also using the pencil on my upper lip. Use a Q-tip to soften the edges. I'm using a peachy lip tint and adding it to the center of the lips. Soften the edges with a Q-tip. Then I'm adding a darker red lip tint to the upper lip only. And soften out the edges. Clean up any uneven edges with a small brush and concealer. Time to add the cute white deer spots. Use a Q-tip with makeup remover and start making holes for your spots. I'm using the smaller end of the Q-tip to make smaller spots. Then I'm using the vanilla liner I used for the waterline to draw the white spots. I'm making them a bit messy and streaky on purpose to mimic the deer fur. Spots are done! And of course we need some fake eyelashes too, as deer have long and pretty lashes. The makeup is done, so now we'll just change our headgear to some real deer antlers. Ta-jang! Okay, don't worry, they're not real, I made them. Thanks for watching the video. I was inspired to make this cute deer look after seeing the pretty Maple Road collection. Thank you Etude House for giving me the chance to try your products. Until next time, bye!